AI agents that can read websites unlock a ton of things, including powerful new shopping experiences for e-commerce businesses. I'm going to show you how to take advantage of Fetch MCP to add product comparison to your store's AI agent, keeping customers shopping with you. Let's go through a quick build and demo. Also, subscribe for more videos. There's lots more coming down the line. Now we're jumping in. So if you've been following along with all of the MCP tools that I've been introducing, you will notice this is the first time that we are not starting with a blank canvas. This is actually the continuation of a simple Shopify storefront agent that I built to handle product recommendations. I'll blast through the context quickly here, but if you want to see that video, it's linked right there. To get you up to speed, this is my test Shopify store, Maximum Snowboarding Inc. From my admin panel, this has been populated with a lot of different products. Now, using Shopify's official storefront MCP server, I have added the tool Search Shop Catalog to Voiceflow. For my simple use case, this lets my agent recommend products to a user based on what the user is looking for. Now, I had an idea to upgrade my product recommendation system with product comparisons from other websites. To set this up, I'm adding another tool usage in my instructions. In this case, let's say the user goes to my AI agent with a URL from a different product from a different website. What I want my AI agent to do is first read the markdown from that URL, summarize the details from that product, and use that information to then call the Search Shop Catalog tool to find similar products in my inventory. To make this work, we're going to need to add a tool that will fetch the markdown from the URL. And I can get that tool from this website that lists a variety of remote MCP servers. If we go down, the server that we want is called Fetch. This will take care of all the functionality that needs to happen to get an AI agent to easily read website content. So let's just copy that URL. And back in Voiceflow, I'm going to go to Tools, MCP, and then add a new MCP server. We'll call this one Fetch and just paste in the server URL. Super easy to add. And then you just click on the one tool that it has. Let's just see if it works without changing any of the default settings. Now, one thing that we do still need to test this is the URL from another website's product. While I was browsing around various snowboarding websites trying to find a similar product to match, I came across this particular product, which is funny because the exact same product exists in my store. So I imagine that someone else is in a similar situation to me and has published a test site. Well, that's perfect because we can use this as a trial to see if my agent actually works. So I'm just going to copy the URL to this mystery page and let's give this a run. As always, great opening message to Maximum Snowboarding Inc. Do you have a product like this? And I'm going to paste in the URL. So now the agent has called the Fetch MCP, and now it's doing a search for my own products. Now look at this. It was able to identify an exact match and communicate that back to the user. Not only that, it also shows some similar products in a nice carousel format. Now, this was just a sample demonstration that we did in minutes, but you can imagine there are tons of different use cases where it would be useful for your agent to be able to read website content. I will leave the rest to you. This is another tool in your toolbox that you can experiment with. And with that, I welcome you to explore the entire world of MCP servers that are out there. The MCP tool in Voiceflow unlocks a ton of possibilities. There's always more coming down the line at Voiceflow. For now, feel free to join the Voiceflow community in the Discord linked below, and keep your eyes on the channel. I'll see you again very soon.